Warning: side effects of watching this video may include extreme powder envy, mind-blowing face shots, laughing at friends, sending it too hard. If you dislike deep turns and good times, you've been warned.
Hello. Deep and deep, let's get it. We got Luke Brown. Oh my god!
Oh yeah. Good, Luke.
That's hot. Can you hit these drops? Yeah, of course.
my world, my God, if I'm gonna make it, then it's time that I speak my mind. Can't take that away. Wait, so you gonna use me now? Well, young motherfucker, take this, take that, I can take it, but I might just lose my mind on my shirt anyway. And if it all came crashing down, just know that it won't bring me down. Well, put me on the front lines as you're sitting on the sidelines. Don't think you can play with my mind, 'cause that's all mine. While you're slipping sideways, well, I've been making my way. Don't think I waste no more time, 'cause that's all mine. 'Cause y'all push out. Go on, push out. Take this, fake that if you wanna make it. Now it's time that I speak my mind. You can't take that away. And if it all came crashing down, just know that it comes back around. Well, put me on the front lines as you're sitting on the sidelines. Don't think you can play with my mind, 'cause that's all mine. While you're slipping sideways, I've been making my way. Don't think I'ma waste no more time, 'cause that's all mine. 'Cause y'all push out. A little push out. Go on, push out.
Wait. Let it go. Let it go. Yeah, Brownie!
Put me on the front lines as you're sitting on the sidelines. Don't think you can play with my mind, 'cause that's all mine. While you're slipping sideways, I've been making my way. Don't think I waste no more time, 'cause that's all mine. Play with my mind.
Jazz was for ordinary people. Jazz is ordinary people.